Today I'm going to show you how to use the Upwork time tracker in the work diary. So what you want to do is go and dial in Upwork time tracker. You'll see that it says Upwork desktop application. This is Upwork and their downloads page. Over here at the top, you will select the version. So whatever version of Windows you're using, I'm using Windows 64-bit 58041. I am going to go and click on download. You'll see over here, it is downloading. It'll take a few seconds and then we can install it. All right, we have clicked on the download. It is now installing. It will take, again, just a few seconds to do the installation. And if you find if this version doesn't work, go ahead and select a different version and see if that version works better. Go ahead and agree to the end user license agreement. Here you will need to just log into your Upwork account. Go ahead, click on next step, read through the information, next step, and we're ready to go. Now you will find that this is what actually pops up. Once you've logged in, you'll have this time tracker. This is the actual time tracker. You'll see here's your profile. Here is a link to your messages. And then you'll see right over here, all of your contracts. Now, I don't have any hourly contracts opened, but whoever you want to track with, you're literally going to go ahead, select that contract, and you're going to click on start tracking. This will now also, even if you close this, will be minimized over here. So if you just use this tray, you can click on this and it'll always pop up. So you can also right click, you can then select the contract that you'd like to open it up on, and then you can just open up the time tracker and do your tracking directly in here.